So this is the entrance of our workshop, engineering workshop. Now I will request Mr. Samuel to please explain what are the facilities available in our engineering workshop.
Hello. Please welcome all to our engineering workshop. As we all know, we have got our engineering workshop in our first year. So let me just give a small introduction to our engineering workshop. On the right side of our workshop, you can see we have got a machine shop out here. So these are our machine shops. We can do all the machine operation out in this section. And we also have got the other section that's called our smithy shop. We have divided our workshop into 4 categories, basically machine shop, smithy shop, fitting and carpentry shop, which in that side. So out here, coming back to our machine shop, you can see we have got machines out here, our hydraulic hacksaw machine, which we usually do in our cutting operations. So these are totally under working conditions, and we have got similarly we have got beside this particular machine cutting machine tool, we have placed grinding or pedestal grinding machines, where the students can perform their grinding operations in whatever the objects or jobs are to be taken care of. So simultaneously around 3 to 4 to 5 students can simultaneously work in a row out here in this particular machine shop. So coming back again out here, we have got our smithy shop. Out in the smithy shop we have got a motor operated forge. So we have got 3 motor operated forges out here. The student just need to come out here and just start operating it out here. After operating it out here, they can just move on to the anvil. Out here we have got an anvil, we have got a swage block. Out here they can perform all the operations which are to be done under our smithy shop. So coming back again out to our smithy shop, we also have got a traditional hand forge out here, which are to be operated via hand itself. We have got 2 hand forges out here. This is a traditional way of operating this particular smithy shop. Now coming back again on this side, we have got our shed metal shop, which you can we have got some machines also that's called bending machine out here. Typically we work this bending machine in our sheet metal shops also out here, which students can also utilize it when creating some different shapes of box or rectangle or whatever the objects or the jobs are to be required to be done. We also have some machines put out here. Please. Now we'll be moving next to our cutting and carpentry shop and our fitting shop. As you can see, we have got some carpentry motor operated tools out here. We have got our wood turner machine out here. You can just see out here we have got 2 wood turner machines out here. We basically know these wood turner machines are used to create or groove any sort of shape that we will require in our designing of any carpentry goods. Now moving out here, we have got some table bench devices where some cutting operation or some fitting operations can be performed onto out here. Likewise, moving on to our cutting tools like carpentry tools, we are usually with our traditional tools. But out here we have got some modernized tools which the students can utilize in our day-to-day life out here, because in our modern age we will basically be moving on to modernized tools. So like now we have got some grinding tools, some cutting tools, some cutting tools again out here. We have got our metal cutting tool and we have got our planer machines also out here again. So these are like a very good opportunity for students also who can come out here to this workshop and try all the modernized equipments which they can move ahead in their industrial work. Then we have got our table grinding machines also placed out here. Students can just come out here, accommodate around like 4 to 5 and do their specific work operation out here. Then we also have got table bench devices, same operations where they can also do their cutting and carpentry operations out here simultaneously. Likewise, we also have got our electrode arc welding machines out here. As you can see, we have got our electrode arc welding machines. Arc welding machines are also can be performed out here. Students usually perform these welding machines also, like in today's generations, each and everywhere we see, each and every industry or workshop, we will see that welding operations are being carried out in different purposes. We also have got our gas welding tools, equipments out here. This gas weldings are also being utilized by students who are in their first semesters. I would like to show a few safety precautions that we have taken care of this workshop. Like out here, in case the students get hurt or injured by any sort of issues, we have got some first aid tools that prepared for them so that they can utilize in any sort of accidents. We also have prepared some specimens of the students that they have prepared out here, like carpentry tools that they have prepared, some joints that they have prepared out here, different shops, different jobs that they have created out here. Thank you for visiting this engineering workshop.
So this has been the main facilities of this workshop. In this workshop also we have ladies and gents toilet facilities on the left hand side and right hand side. Firefighting equipments are already there. So this ends the facilities available in our workshop. Now we will be moving towards the admin block.